Give me my phone. Look!
Hey, Bubby, this is your stuff. It's yours.
Bubby, show him. Get in front of yours, Sissy.
I was just showing Ethan. And look. Ethan, alien. Look, Woody, Bud.
Hey, everyone.
Ethan, look, I got a Barbie and a baby.
What's behind you? And what's the other thing? No, right there. What's that? Lift it up. What's inside of it? Look how many. Look how many.
And where do you open them at so I can get them out?
The back door. That's their stable.
This is where they can get out.